For Mauser, what do you think some of the next things that you're going to start to do to leverage the platform? Not only from a real-time perspective, because we talked about work order integration, and then also from an analytics, is looking at getting the burden rate or cost information. Are those the two key things that you guys are thinking of doing next? And maybe describe how each one might be helping you.
Well, yeah, basically this is what we talk about. We've been talking about this to implement, a link with a QAD system in order to feedback the system itself, and all of this, of course, another link that we really wanted to do is to start following really close with the scrap and everything that is involved with the cost, because at the end of the month it helps a lot to visualize what is the financial impact when we do continuous improvement, and the way to measure it is with this tool.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Well, thank you. So I think we've got a few of the lessons learned that you've provided us. Maybe just in order of time, because we're getting close to the 50-minute stage, is which one do you think of these 5 were probably the biggest impact for you guys in your analytics deployment? Which one do you think was the most important?
Well, the most important definitely is the operational data to the financial impact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that helps drive more improvement because you see the financial impact of what you're doing. Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay.
And again, yeah, go ahead.
No, I get it, because I think we talked about that. So it just obviously provides almost like an exclamation point on what the improvement actually gives back to Mauser, which is very important for everybody to know.